How to unlink your PlayStation account on Zenless Zone Zero. What's up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily unlink your PlayStation account on Zenless Zone Zero. So let's just jump right in. The very first thing you're going to have to do is open up the game, whether you're on PlayStation or any other console or even your PC. All you have to do is simply go ahead and open it up. And if you're on PC, you can press escape to bring out the menu section. And right below, you'll find the different options like more, option, achievements, internal storage, and then agents. So go ahead and click on options. Once you click on options, this menu will pop up, and here you have an option to change your graphics, your input, mouse and keyboard, audio, language, account, and others. Just head over to the accounts tab, and then you'll find your user center. So just go ahead and click here where it says click here, and then view your user center. Once you click on it, this pop-up will appear on your screen. So all you have to do is find this linked account option. So go ahead and click on it. And once you find the linked account options, just click on this one. And then right besides that, at the side, you'll have an option of how many accounts you have linked. So once you click on it, you have four options. You can link your Facebook, your Nintendo, your Twitter account, your Game Center, and then your PlayStation. So under PlayStation Network, you can just see if you have any account linked here or not. If you have not, it will say that the account is not linked. So go ahead and tap on it to link your account, or if you already have a linked account, just go ahead and click on there to unlink it. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.